look at this. Guys, my sister's sense of humor is so bad. Hey, my sense of humor is way better than yours.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Fine. Get me your best memes, and if you can make me laugh in at least 7 of them, I'll buy you a book.
You have a deal, Dhingra.
हाय गाइस, तो मेरी बहन गई है अपने टॉप मीम्स ढूंढने के लिए, ठीक है। और अगर मैं ये चैलेंज हार जाती हूँ, मतलब आई हैव टू ट्राई नॉट टू लाफ, और अगर मैंने 7 बार या उससे ज़्यादा हंस दिया उसके मीम्स पे, तो मुझे उसको ये बहुत महंगी सी बुक लेके देनी पड़ेगी। सो होपफुली आई डोंट लूज।
You're gonna lose.
Let's see about that. Bring on your memes. Healthy snack. Wow, these are great. I wonder what the serving size is. 1/10 of whatever you just ate. वो बेचारे, आप तीसरी पिक्चर देखो, बेचारे बंदे का चेहरा वो कितना सैड हो गया।
But you want to laugh at his misery?
No. गूगल मैप गलत जा रहा है, सीधे ले मील, लेकिन आगे दीवार है। गूगल मैप, हाँ तो स्टंट करके जाना फिर।
That counts as one. I got one.
Okay, fine.
Guys, comment करके बताओ if you're on her team or my team.
Guys, आप मेरी साइड पे हो ना?
नहीं, मेरी साइड पे.
मैं गिव अवे करूंगी।
Hey, bribery. This is cheating. Look how she's cheating.
चीटिंग करता है तू।
I'm not cheating, yeah, guys. Just be on my side.
No, be on mine.
Will you do a face reveal for them if they're on your side?
ये फंस गया सीएम।
Okay, fine. I was just kidding. Next. My husband purchased a world map and then gave me a dart and said, "Throw this, and wherever it lands, that's where I'm taking you when this pandemic ends." Turns out we're spending 2 weeks behind the fridge.
Vacation
That is
location.
me. That is literally me. मुझे कोई डार्ट फेंकने को बोलता है, वो कभी सीधा नहीं जाता है, इधर उधर जाता है। मुझे डार्ट्स खेलने बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता है। तुझे आता है डार्ट्स खेलने? You would also be living a bit behind the fridge.
Yes, but I wouldn't agree to like throwing a dart.
I would just be like, I will pinpoint the place. मैं डार्ट नहीं फेंकने वाली।
Yeah, what if it ended up in like a war zone?
Yeah, what guys, अगर हमने डार्ट फेंका और अगर वो ओशन में जाके लगा, तो क्या हम ओशन में जाएंगे रहने?
Submarine vacation.
ये क्या यूजलेस आइडिया था इसके हस्बैंड का। Okay, next. The VPN button, me. My FBI agent wondering how I got to Switzerland in 0.001 second. Do you guys use VPN?
Did you just wink at them?
मैंने विंक करने की कोशिश करी, बट मैं बहुत गंदी हूँ विंक करने में। Anyways, चलो नेक्स्ट वाले पे चलते हैं। I have your baby. Thanks, doc. Sorry your wife didn't make it. Aww. Where's the one my wife did make? No laughing. You stop laughing. Your laugh is making me laugh.
I can't stop laughing. I have good quality memes.
इसके memes अच्छे नहीं हैं.
Hey.
Okay, next.
Slander.
There is so much going on here. The name, the crime, the mugshot. 059. 5th Sept. Oh, that was 9/11. So for some reason I was thinking 059.
Does that count as a laugh?
अरे मैंने meme पढ़ा भी नहीं है अभी तेरा.
You laughed on it.
Okay, meme तो पढ़ूँ अब.
Please.
Barry, Larry, Terry, unlawful possession of a wild raccoon, no headlamp on bicycle. नहीं हंसना, नहीं हंसना, नहीं हंसना, नहीं हंसना, नहीं 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 हंसना, नहीं नहीं.
अरे बाबू ये क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
Okay, that is definitely count.
अब मैं अपने रैप पे हंसी हूँ.
You are not allowed to laugh.
At
You
all?
laughed at all. So that's 3 laughs.
2 पर मीम. हर मीम में तो एक ही लाफ हो सकती है ना गाइस, ऐसे थोड़ी.
You can have multiple laughs.
नहीं, दो हैं टोटल.
Okay, fine.
ठीक है, चलो. मुझे नहीं लेके देनी इसको, बुक बहुत महंगी है ये. No more laughing. अब से I pledge and swear that I will not laugh.
Don't make false pledges, okay? These things are sacred.
Sacred.
You should pledge to buy me a book every week for the rest of our lives.
ये देखो.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Anyways, चलो नेक्स्ट वाला पढ़ते. ये बहुत बड़ा है. I lost interest.
Hey, that's not fair.
It's fair.
You can't skip memes.
नहीं guys बहुत बड़ा था. Okay, next one. What is he trying to do? Watch his. Oh my God! He has a watch on his leg.
3 laughs.
उसके पैर पे सच्ची वॉच लगी हुई है.
You're definitely buying me a book.
यार आई थिंक अभी तक का बेस्ट था ये. दिस इज अ परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन अगर आपके पास एप्पल वॉच लेने के पैसे नहीं है एंड यू वांट टू काउंट योर स्टेप्स. पैर पे वॉच लगा लो.
Life hack.
ओके दिस इज जेन्युइनली अ रियली गुड वन. ओके यहाँ पे एक ट्रैफिक टिकट है जिसमें लिखा है स्पीडिंग instead of pulling over pulled into McDonald's drive-thru and began ordering.
Isn't that something you would do?
मैं तो नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि इंडिया में उतना ज़्यादा ड्राइव थ्रू है ही नहीं तो मुझे मिलेगा ही नहीं.
Technicality.
12 celebrities who share the same face with fictional characters. Daniel Radcliffe and Harry Potter. They are the same person.
4 laughs. Wait,
Yes.
let's say that again. My voice was so bad. 4 laughs.
Yes, the floor here is made out of floor. I get it. Okay. मैं हार रही हूँ यार. मैं हार रही हूँ.
Just 3 more and I will be victorious.
Oh my God. पता है एक पॉइंट के लिए मैं भूल गई थी कि ये चैलेंज है. मैं बस मीम्स पढ़ रही थी. ओके गाइज अब हमें बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस होना पड़ेगा. नो मोर हंसना.
How many times are you gonna say that? Do you think saying that is just gonna make it true?
यस
Okay.
आई शुड प्रॉब्ली लाइक पिंच माई सेल्फ. पता है
Hey!
ना हंसने का सोल्यूशन ये है कि अपने आप को पिंच करके रखो तो हंसी नहीं आएगी.
You cheat, I will throw your coffee on your face.
गिव मी कॉफी. मेरी कॉफी पी रही थी बैठ के. ओके आई हैड द फनीएस्ट dream. I was hanging out with Michael Jackson and someone asked me what his pronouns were and he said he and I woke up crying. Please explain it to me. Explain how. मेरे को समझाओ कोई ये मीम कैसे फनी है. पहले ये हंसना तो बंद करें उसके बाद हम वीडियो बनाएंगे. ओके. Whenever churchgoers come to my door, my brother and I do a number of random things. Some people from local church came by and knocked on our door and I answered. They asked me if I had found Jesus. I stared at them blankly for about 5 seconds, then said, "Oh my God," followed by quickly turning into the house and shouting, "Jesus, run, they're on to you." My brother then starts running down the hall and into the kitchen saying, Go, run, and slamming the back door. I turned back to them and said no as I slowly closed the door.
I know I've seen all of these.
Okay, next. Oh my God. If you ever feel like a failure, just remember that I went bowling once and threw the... Arey, let me read the meme at least.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Are you done laughing? Oh my God.
Does that count as a
No,
laugh?
you're not letting me read the meme. ये मेरे को meme पढ़ने नहीं दे रही. खुद ही हंसने जा रही है. मैं क्या करूँ? That's cheating. That is cheating.
That is not cheating. I am laughing.
अब मैं पढ़ लूँ
It
meme.
is the purest expression of joy.
अब मैं पढ़ लूँ.
Go ahead.
If you ever feel like a failure, just remember that I went bowling once and threw the bowling ball into the wrong direction. One time I was playing Wii bowling without a strap and I flung my arm back and the remote flew and hit my dad in the crotch. One time I was playing basketball but I swung the bat wrong and ended hitting myself in the face, knocking me out. Oh my God. I do not laugh on people's misery, so you can understand how I'm not.
Hey, don't make me look like an evil person, okay?
ये कितनी mean है, उसको लगता है कि लोग अपने आप को मार रहे गिर रहे हैं और मुझे हंसी आएगी.
But they're making fun of themselves.
I'm so disappointed in your sense of humor. I'm kidding. I'm
You're
kidding.
still gonna buy me. You think I'm offended by that?
मुझे लगा. Okay, what's your major? बस करो यार, इसका हंसना कोई बंद कराओ.
चुप हो जा.
It's your fault.
इसके
You're the one
हंसने-
who wanted me to find me.
इसके हंसने की वजह से मैं हंसती जाऊंगी और मीम्स की वजह से नहीं, और चैलेंज ऐसे ही हार जाऊंगी.
As long as you lose, I am happy.
ये देखो. Okay, what's your major? Communications. Yours? I'm doing biology. I want to be a pedestrian. What? Like I want to be a doctor for kids, pediatrician, pedestrian.
That's a laugh. What is it, 6 now?
This is a lame joke.
I don't care. You laugh.
ये मेरे type of jokes हैं. Fine, 5, right?
6.
5. 5 हुए हैं. 4 थे अब 5. Next. Cow hypnosis. Cow transformation hypnosis. Hypnotize yourself to become a cow.
That counts as a laugh.
यार मैं नहीं हंसी.
That was a hussy.
नहीं
Yes,
नहीं
it's counted.
नहीं
It is counted.
नहीं 2 बच्चे हैं ना. I didn't laugh. मैं नहीं हंसी.
This is cheating. You laugh.
Fine, 6.
Yes.
एक और बच्चा है.
Okay.
हाँ. My toaster caught on fire yesterday, and when I realized it, there was a flame like 2 feet high, almost touching my cabinet. So I panicked and picked it up so it wouldn't catch my cabinets on fire. But then I was just standing in my kitchen holding. I cannot laugh at this. मेरे को पहले ही हंसी आ रही है.
I'm just laughing at you losing now. Keep reading.
If I read any more, I will not be able to control my laughter.
Hey, you can't not read.
I was just standing in my kitchen holding a flaming toaster, and my dad saw me and didn't say anything, and I didn't know what to do, so I ran outside with it and threw it at the ground, but it was on fire, so I picked it up and threw it again and again until it went out. But then my grass was on fire, so I beat it with a shovel until that went out too. Then I came back inside and my dad was just like, "What you're cooking?" ये पढ़ना बहुत मुश्किल था मेरे लिए. Swedish TV accidentally put subtitles from kids show over a political debate and it's brilliant. I will build the best sandcastle in the galaxy. तू हंसना बंद कर. ये चीटिंग है, ये हंस रही है इसलिए मैं हार रही हूँ.
Say whatever helps you sleep at night.
चुप रह. बहुत बोलती है.
I would still vote for that guy.
Next. Told my dad I got a new job and this is his response. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Love you. Relax, Neha. You haven't won the Oscar. Indian parents. Indian parents will be like, if I go, okay, not my parents because my parents are very supportive, but normal generic Indian parents. Mom, I got 95. They'll be like, 99 mila kya kisi ko? That would have been funnier though than this meme. Okay, next.
We're done. You skipped one meme.
ठीक है. I'll give you a wild card. तेरे पास 15 मिनट हैं. Go look for a meme and if I laugh on that, then you get the book. ठीक है, guys. Meet you after a 15-minute break. A slice of pie is $250 in Jamaica. That was so random. It's $325 in Bahamas. Thanks for the useless info. These are the pirates of the Caribbean. Pirates.
Come on. No.
Okay, fine. I don't have to buy you a book. But ठीक है, क्योंकि तूने इतनी मेहनत करी, I'll buy you the book anyways.
Yay!
Okay, bye. See you later, alligator.
Comment if you want her to spend more money on me.
Okay, bye guys.